Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process on your Dyson SV27, first, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws or components. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner from the wall outlet. It's crucial to ensure the device is completely powered off to prevent any accidents. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This will give you easier access to the motor housing. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You might need to use your flathead screwdriver to help pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or tabs while doing this. Now, you can see the motor. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. A clean workspace is essential for ensuring proper reassembly. If you find excessive dirt, consider using a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. To disconnect the motor, look for the wiring harness attached to the motor terminals. Carefully unplug the harness using your pliers, ensuring not to damage any wires. If you're uncertain about the disconnection, refer to the manual for guidance. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you through the process. Once the motor is unplugged, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Usually, there are 3 screws securing the motor. Again, store these screws safely. After the screws are out, gently lift the motor from the housing. Take note of its orientation, as you'll need to install the new motor in the same position. Now, take your new motor and place it in the housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it's tightly fitted, as any loose components can lead to malfunction. Next, reconnect the wiring harness to the motor. Make sure it's firmly attached, as a poor connection can cause your vacuum to not function correctly. After this, replace the motor cover and secure it with the screws. Remember to check that everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws completely. Once the cover is in place, reattach the dust canister. Now, it's time to test your vacuum cleaner. Plug it back in and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds. If everything is running smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV27. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your vacuum repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. And don't forget, you'll receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency in pricing. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.